few months ago, that one was crying up and down that she wanted to do housewarming, that she invited all of them and they turned her down. IYABO Ojo, when she was doing housewarming, where were you? When they gave her appointment letter at Osun State, do you know what you did to her under this lover? It does not concern me. Oh, I'm not here to defend anybody. It's just a.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí lẹ́yìn LAIDE BAKARE àti LIZZY ANJORIN pẹ̀lú IYABO Ojo bí arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí LIZZY ANJORIN bí ó ṣe tún bú òun pẹ̀lú IYABO Ojo tí ó tún gbé wọn ṣépè tí ó ní wọn sunkún kiri. Ó ní kò sí nǹkan kan tó kan òun pẹ̀lú àwọn LAIDE BAKARE wọ̀nyẹn àti IYABO Ojo. Ó náà wọn ò sí ní kákọ́sì kan. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Wàhálà tuntun orúkú bọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò èyí tó kù.
Case study. Me, I'm a very focused woman, very hardworking. Someone like me. She need to gather the whole world because of LIZZY Anjorin. She wants to pepper Lizzy. They don't go borrow money. They say they go borrow money, both naira and hard currency. So they will sign, they will borrow the money so that they can spray her. Oh, IYABO, ibi lo ti ma mọ̀ wípé one with God is powerful than majority with nobody. Ah. Ilé ìdùn jù. Ìyẹn sunkún recently o. Òun ṣe housewarming. Òun ò réèyàn kankan. Wàá ó ti réèyàn. Èèyàn lórí lójú IYABO Ojo ló ti fẹ́ réèyàn. Ẹ lọ máa parí ìjà gbogbo yín. Ṣá má dọ́dọ̀ tèmi.